Hello, today we'll show the choreography to the song You Are Still the One. Well, the choreography is divided into a few parts. We'll show you each part back to you so that it will be easier for you to dance with us. So let's start. We'll be standing in this way. So lady is on one side, the man on the other one. And first we'll just show you the choreography and then the steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, men and the ladies start with the same leg, right leg forward. And we go 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we grab the lady in her waist. The same does the lady. And we start with right leg forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we will go around, taking the biggest bend like this. And we just look at each other all the time. Alright, so we have finished here. The man grabs the lady's right hand with his left one, and we turn the lady right. And then man turns right as well. Look, like this. So, right, left, right, left. And now we'll show you once more. So lady turns right, hop, and left, right, left to the side. Then we will wind the lady. Then we go left leg forward. So left leg forward, and we walk the lady, and we make a pose. Left leg is bent. And we lean the lady left. And now the lady steps. So ladies start with right leg, right, left, right, left. We stay in this way. So right to right. Then we turn right. Yeah, our body weight is on the left leg, right, left one backward. And we finish on our left leg at the front and right one is at the back. We just give our right hand to the man. Man takes a turn at the same time. And we change the holding. Then we go left leg forward, then right one forward, then wind left. We wind left and we do not change our legs, but we just turn like this. Then left leg forward and we place our left hand on man's shoulder at the same time. So then we will turn together. And please remember that the position of our body should be up and straight. Shoulder blades hidden. And then left leg forward. One step and we walk the man like this. So we do not go forward, but we make a way to the man like this. So we are on our right leg and we join the left one. So we've just walked the man around. And now from this place, we are on our right leg and we turn through our right arm. So turn at the same leg. And then left leg goes back and then leaning. And we lean on man's hand. So hips forward and the rest of our body goes back. And man places his hand on our back. And in this way, well, he helps us a bit. But try not to hang on his hands. And the man turns the lady on the right hand. Look up. And then the man turns. The lady winds. Right hand to right hand. Winding the lady. The lady goes forward. She walks the man. She takes the man while walking. We form a frame, right hand on lady's waist, and we are close to each other. Left hand to lady's right hand. Lady takes the step, we follow her, and we are on our right leg. Then we go on our left one, forming the pose. We can do it like this, or with lady's hand on our neck and leaning the lady back. And now we will show you once more with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have finished forming the pose. 1, 2, then back 3, 4. Then the man 5, 6. We walk the lady 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the lifting. Look, we have finished the pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man starts with right leg, joining left, and right one to the side. We are on our right leg, and with left leg, we walk the lady left, right, left to the side. And once more, look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man right, left, right, left, right, left. And the lady winds. And we join the feet. And now we'll tell you about lady steps. I will show you this way. Back to you. So we have a pose. Like this. The man moves a bit. And we have a place. And we go right leg forward under man's hand. Right leg forward, left, and joining. Then the other way. Left leg forward, right turning, and joining 2 steps. Joining 2 legs. And we go forward, right, left to the side, right backward, twisting a bit right, and going back. The same steps. Left, right to the side, left backward, and once more. Right, left, right backward, left, right, left backward. And now the steps for the man. So we have finished here the pose. 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. And we go. Lady goes under our left hand. So, look, 7, 8. And we give our hands. So right to the right. And we wind the lady standing on our left leg. And our right hand goes under lady's arm. So we have finished here. So winding the lady, joining the leg. And so man goes with right leg forward, right, left to the side, right backward, left forward, right to the side, left backward. Once more. Right forward, left to the side, right backward, left forward, right to the side, and left, and 1 backwards. Then the lady goes forward under left hand. So left hand goes up, holding right one at the same time. We approach the lady and we prepare for the lifting. So we will show you the hands in this way. So we go right leg forward, letting the lady go under left hand up, up. We lift 2 hands up and right leg forward, right forward. And we lift 2 hands up, then down. And we stay a bit side to the lady. And then we will grab her to the lifting. And in case of ladies, look. So we have such holding. Yeah. Then we go right leg forward. The man turns us. Then left leg forward, facing each other. Then like this. Our hands are crossed. Left hand is at the top. And a small step, we approach to each other and we place our hands like this. Over man's hands like this. And we form such a strong holding as in a minute we will have a lifting. And now we'll show you the whole part with counting. And then we'll discuss the lifting. Let's have a look. So 2 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are ready for the lifting. So now we'll show you the lifting. So we have finished in this way. Our right sides are stick to each other. Right hip to right hip. We grab the lady by the hip. But right hand is more important. So we grab her firmly in her waist as we will lift the lady using our right hand. Now we will show you the lifting. Look. Hop. And we lift the lady like this. And we just turn around and we place the lady. And now the lady's perspective. So the lady prepares her right leg. Right leg. The right leg will be straight till the moment of placing the lady on the floor. So, right leg is straight, left one is bent, and we try to be light. Yeah. So our body should be a bit tense all the time, and through such holding, we try to go up and not hang, yes, at the bottom. So it will be lighter in this way for the man. So right leg at the front, left one at the back. We hold the man firmly. We help the man go up. Look, hop. And then placing like this. So ladies, please remember to go up and help the man placing the hands on man's arms. And man grabs the lady in the lower part, so it will be easier to lift the lady later on. So we make a small squat before the lifting, and it will be much easier to lift the lady. So, lady's right hand is behind man's back leg, not in front. So, look, if it is like this, it will be easier for the man to lift us. So, man lifts the lady a bit on his hip, look, like this. And it is much easier for us to lift the lady. And we lift the lady to 8 beats.